Hello everyone, welcome to the part 7 of learning a basic Korean language, and I'm hoping this particular words which is related to fruits might be a great help for you in learning a basic Korean language. I know this particular terminologies is very simple, yet we need to unfold or unlock those spelling in terms of fruits. Please stay tuned while learning this 30 amazing fruits. So, the first word, before that one, fruit is kwail in Hangul. But if you are mentioning fruits, kwail dul. Right? Kwail dul, that is fruits. Kwail, fruit. Okay, so in a plural form, kwail dul, fruits. Then, the first picture in this slide is an apple, which is very common class in Hangul, right? Apple, sagwa. Sagwa, apple. The second picture is pineapple. So of course, here, pineapple is just lifted in an English version in terms of Hangul. It is pine apple, right? Pine apple, right? It's like that one, right? Pine apple, right? So pineapple, which is in English, of course, definitely it's pineapple, but in Hangul it is pain apple, right? It's an English term which is lifted from an English term, right? Again, the first one is sagwa, which is apple. The second one is pineapple, which is a pineapple in English. And the third one, this one I'm not really sure with regards to it, but I come up with a particular research with regards to dragon fruit, right? A dragon in Hangul is yong, and then of course kwail, which is a fruit. So I combine it. So dragon fruit is yong kwail, but definitely class. But definitely I called attentions with regards to my teachers also with regards to this, and wala namang corrections with regards to the fruit. I think it's correct. But definitely, I'm not really sure with regards to dragon fruit. But of course, again, in Hangul, dragon is yong, and then of course fruit kwail, yung kwail. The first picture, sagwa. The second picture is pineapple, which is pineapple, and definitely yung kwail, which is the fruit itself. In the next slide, we do have watermelon in English, definitely in Hangul, subak. Again, subak. You've got it, right? Watermelon in English, in Hangul, subak. Okay, the next picture is banana, right? In English, banana. In Hangul, almost the same, banana. Okay, so again, watermelon, and the second one is banana. So I have banana here. Let's try to eat. Delicious. Pag ilagay mo to, painting na siyang mahal na, no? So again, sarap, right? So we do have watermelon, subak in Hangul, and then of course, banana. Almost the same, right? In English, banana in Hangul. Then, the third picture is grapes, pudu. Again, grapes, pudu. Watermelon, banana, and grapes. Subak, banana, and pudu. The next one is orange in English. Orange, and then we do have kiwi, the second picture, and the third one is lemon, right? So the first one is orange, this one. Okay, so I have here orange. We try to taste. natin kung masarap. Pag mga fruits talaga, sobrang sarap, right? So, in Hangul, in terms of orange, it's almost the same, right? So, it is orangey, right? Orangey. So, orange. Orangey in Hangul. Then, the next one is a kiwi. Again, it's almost the same in English. It's also kiwi. And the third one, lemon, right? So, almost the same. Lemon, right? Honeydew, right? I think it's almost the same. Lemon. I've noticed this particular slide, it's English lifted from the English word, right? Orange, orangey, kiwi, right? Still kiwi in Hangul, and lemon, right? Lemon. Almost the same, right? So, sobrang bilis or dali nating alam mo yun, maalala yung mga words kasi English related siya or kaya lifted siya sa English word or words, right? Which is orange, orangey, right? Kiwi, almost the same, and lemon. And also, which is mango in English, mango, right? Mango in Hangul. So, madali lang din, right? Mango, mango, right? Parang pareho lang. Pag Tagalog, manga. So, mango, mango, manga. Okay? So, again, hindi ka malilito when you've heard the word mango, right? Kasi parang, alam mo na agad na mango yung ibig niyang sabihin. Then, the next one is pears. Pe, right? Pears, pe, right? So, wala tayong sample kasi ang dala ko lang, banana lang. At saka orange, right? So, wala tayong dalang pears, right? So, be. And then, of course, definitely, it's strawberry, right? Strawberry. Dalke or dalke, right? So, strawberry, dalke, right? Dalke, right? Strawberry. Okay? So, again, which is the first picture, mango, which is a mango, right? In Hangul. And then, pears, which is be. And definitely, the third picture is strawberry, dalke. Or dalke, right? Dalke, okay? So, that's it. This one also lifted from the English word melon, right? Melon. Almost the same in Hangul, right? Melon, melon, melon. Corny. Right? So, of course, here in the Philippines kasi, right, laging, alam mo yun, mag-joke sila pag may amoy, melon, mga ganon. Pero of course, hindi naman common. Pero parang mga bata lang, mga joke kid, right? So, mga batang nag-joke in terms of the word, okay? So, but again, melon in Hangul, melon, almost the same, right? Then, apricot. Apricot is salku, right? Salku or salku ka, yeah, right? So, salku is apricot. Salku in Hangul, apricot in English, right? Again, apricot, salku. So, if you can come up a particular phrase or a sentence, right? Salgu ka, yeah. Then, the next one is avocado, right? Or avocado, right? Here in the Philippines still, avocado in Hangul, when I search it over, almost the same, right? It's avocado, right? So, ang bilis tandaan, right? Pag sinasabi mong melon, melon din. So, apricot, salku, and then avocado, right? So, it's almost the same. It is avocado, but always remember in terms of spelling, because we are using here ka, right? Avocado, right? Do not forget. The next one is guava, right? So in English, guava. So in Hangul, almost the same, right? English din siya. Guava, right? Guava, right? Parang ganun din. Okay? Then papaya. English version, same pa rin, papaya. Okay, so pag mga fruits, hindi masyadong nalalayo kasi ang daming English-related terms, right? Again, parang puti. Ay, hindi pala. Okay, so guava, almost the same, right? And then papaya, right? Papaya. Almost the same. And then, of course, this one, I don't know if it's a fruit, but of course, right? Coconut, young coconut. In English, sa Tagalog, it's buko, right? Dito sa Philippines, right? Sa Pilipinas, may daming buko. And, alam mo yun, gustong-gusto ko yung, yung juice type niya. Sobrang sarap. So, nilagay ko dito yung buko, yung coconut fresh. Pero nung ni-research ko yung term, right? Still, it is in English, related? Coconut. And that's the spelling, this one. Okay? Observe the spelling, right? Coconut. Right? Yung ganito sa dulo. Okay? So, again, guava, lifted from English version, right? Papaya, also the same, right? Almost the same in terms of the pronunciation, and definitely class coconut. English pa din. So, alam mo yun, hindi mahirap intindihin pag mga usapang fruits in Hangul. Okay? We do have star apple. Star apple, in Tagalog, I know it is kaimito, right? I know it's kaimito, right? Star apple. I know, hindi pala. Star apple, it's balimbing. Balimbing in Tagalog, I think, right? Tama ba ako? Star apple? Ano ba? Balimbing star fruit, right? Star fruit in English. Kasi nga may star yung balimbing. Pag hiniwa mo, form ng star, kaya star fruit. Like ko nga tandaan yun. Then star apple, kaimito. Tama? Comment down below pag ako yung mali. Okay, so star apple, or almost the same in Hangul, right? It's sota apple, right? Sota apple, right? Sota apple or star apple, right? It's English-related terms. If you heard it, class, in Korea, right? Pag marinig mo yon na, star apple, right? Yung sinasabi niya, star apple pala. So, alam mo yung parang English version lang. But of course, the accent per se is Hangul. And then, the next one is guyapano, in English, sour soup, right? But when I translated it in Hangul, right? And then I asked Mr. Yon, right? Thank you so much, sir, for, alam mo yon, giving corrections in terms of these words, right? So, ang sinulat ko doon is sinmat, right? Yung sinmat, it's all about the taste, right? Hindi talaga siya translation for the sour soup, right? It's the taste itself. So, I think in guyabano, still guyabano, right? In Hangul. Pag meron silang ganun. Pero I'm not sure, comment down below in terms of guyabano, kung guyabano din ba sa kanila or common ba to sa Korea in terms of this fruit, or sa atin lang kasi we are in a tropical country, right? Ang dami nating fruits na nabubuhay sa ating mga bakuran, right? So, the next one is mangosteen, right? Or mangosteen, right? So, in Hangul, it's almost the same. It's mangosteen, right? Mangosteen, right? Mangosteen in English. Mangosteen, right? So, pag maiba ka, mangosteen. Again, star apple, lifted from English version, star apple. It's almost the same, right? But, of course, pag magpunta dito yung mga Koreano sa Pilipinas, so sinasabi ko nga, kaimito siya. So malamang medyo malayo sa kanila. But of course, in terms of English, almost the same, right? In terms of the word, right? Parang ano lang sila, katunog lang sila. And then of course, itong sour soup na to na sinasabi ko, no sinabi nga sa akin, yung if you translate it in the Google Translate, pag i-translate mo, pag i-try mo lang siya, sinmat, but still, in Hangul daw, yung word na yun is related to taste, right? In general, taste, okay? And then, mangosteen, again, still related to the English language, which is a mangosteen. Almost the same, right? The next one is raspberry, right? Raspberry. So, raspberry is santalki, right? Santalki. So, like kung maalala to kasi, yung san is a mountain and then talki is strawberry, right? So, pag pinag-isa mo siya pag, alam mo yun, pag isahin mo siya, napansin mo ba? Yung naisip ko yung santalki, right? So, santalki, of course, strawberry, talki, and then of course, san, which is mountain. So, pag isahin mo, it is raspberry. Okay, raspberry. Then, the Korean melon, right? We do have Korean melon, which is chamwe. 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 But here sa atin, para siyang parang yung mga maliliit na kung nasa ka sa probinsya ka, yung parang honeydew, right? Honeydew sa atin. Pero mayroon pang sobrang liit, parang itlog yung laki na sa sa field, pag nasa probinsya ka, parang ganun yung color. Pero alam ko hindi kinakain yun, nakalimutan ko yung name sa amin. Ano ba yun? Basta gumagapang lang yun, gumagapang dun sa sa palayan. Tapos namumunga siya ng color yellow, pero ganun yung balat niya, it's like the honeydew itself. Ay, honeydew ba yun? Yung parang parang dilaw, tapos pag biniyak mo para siyang maraming mga buto-buto dun sa ilalim. So again, Korean melon, which is chamwe. Okay, chamwe. Chamwe. And then raspberry, santalke, right? Santalke, raspberry, and then definitely Korean melon, chamwe, and the last picture, which is cherry, right? Lifted from English again, English word, which is cherry, right? Cherry, okay? Either cherry or cherry, right? Cherry. But again, the sounds, it's almost the same in English. Again, cherry in English. Do not forget, class, right? In terms of raspberry and then Korean melon, which is chamwe, right? Chamwe. Korean melon, chamwe, and definitely the cherry. Okay. So on this one also, there's English. It translated into English also, right? The blueberry, right? It's blueberry, right? It's blueberry, right? It's a blueberry, right? Simple as blueberry in English. So tangerine, right? Tangerine, gyol, gyol, right? Gyol, gyol, right? Tangerine, gyol, right? Tangerine, gyol. Ulit-ulit. Okay, nalaglag yung ko. Okay, again, tangerine, gyol, right? So, observe the spelling, and the next one is peach, which is buksunga. Buksunga, 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 right? That's a peach. Again, blueberry, it's a blueberry. And then tangerine, gyol, and then definitely the last picture, which is peach, buksunga, 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 buksunga. Okay? Blueberry, tangerine, peach, blueberry, gyol, buksunga. Continuation with have persimmon, right? Persimmon is kam in Hangul. Kam in Hangul. And then the next one is plum. We do have mesil, mesil, right? And we do have jadu, right? Itong mesil na to, na plum pa rin, ito yung color niya turns into purple, right? So naging violet siya pag nahinog siya. So yung isa naman, yung jadu na plum pa rin, pero pag nahinog siya, of course, color red, right? Reddish naman yung color niya. Kaya jadu yung Hangul translated or translation, right? In Hangul. So, banana. Tinapos talaga yung frozen banana, no? Ang sarap kasi. Hindi pa pala ako nagmukbang in terms of my vlog. Comment na kayo kung ano ba, okay din ba magmukbang, at saka ano yung i-topic ko dun sa mukbang pag nagmukbang ako, kasi wala pa akong mukbang na na vlog, right? Lalo na nandito ako sa Bicol. Comment down below kung ano yung mga pwedeng itapik sa mukbang. Or kaya sama ko si Mrs. sa mukbang, siya yung magtatanong na. Feel ko pwede yun. I'm sorry, right? So while discussing, I'm eating. So I know na hindi siya masyadong appropriate, right? Pero wala lang. This one is not really a serious matters, right? So gusto lang natin mag-enjoy at may matutunan tayo. So again, the plum, we do have messel, a particular fruit, pag nahinog na siya, turns into a purple, yung color, or violet. And the other one, we do have jadu, turns into red pag nahinog na. And then cantaloupe. So of course, cantaloupe, it's almost the same in English, which is cantaloupe, right? Cantaloupe. It's almost the same. Again, parang nalito kayong saging. So, again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm hoping we will see you on my next vlog in terms of a Korean language, right? This one is very simple. I know, alam kong napakadali din sa inyo to, pero sana may matutunan tayo. We need to see the brighter side in terms of the learning progress, lalo na pag bago pa lang tayo, wag tayong agad nagmamadali. Mga simpleng words lang muna yung matutunan natin. So again, thank you so much. Ito manayo, kamsahamnida. God bless everyone.